For my 30th birthday, I wanted to do something completely crazy. So I decided I wanted to sip champagne under the Eiffel Tower. So I booked my plane ticket on the 3rd, and on the 4th of July, my birthday, I was sipping champagne under the Eiffel Tower. And the funniest part is that I came back 13 years later. My name is Marie-Pierre and I'm the Talent Acquisition and Human Resource Manager for VanillaSoft. What it's like to work at VanillaSoft? Never a dull moment. My favorite part about working at VanillaSoft is that every day is a new challenge. I have a boss that gives me carte blanche. I was hired as the first Human Resource Manager at VanillaSoft, and I have everything to do, so the best part is being challenged every day. VanillaSoft compares to other places where I work in a way that here you have a career, you have a real path of career. I worked so many times with people that had a job that would do the hours and go home without wondering what tomorrow will bring or what the future will reserve for the company. The common denominator is people care. People really want to do a good job. Everybody's willing to help and to improve every day the software and the relationship with clients. Someone would want to work for VanillaSoft because they know they have a team of elite. You will find respect, you will find a teamwork environment, and you will be improving your own knowledge. We say just be yourself, work hard, play hard, and look for fantastic results.